latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
India categorically rejected the reference made to Jammu and Kashmir in China-Pakistan joint statement. Ministry of External Affairs asserted that the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir is an integral, inalienable part of India. MEA said the parties concerned must not interfere in the internal matters of India. China and Pakistan issued joint statement after annual strategic dialogue between foreign ministers of the two countries. Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi held talks with his Chinese counterpart Wang Yi at Hainan Province in China on August 21st. Both the leaders discussed Kashmir among other issues in their annual strategic dialogue. Both China and Pakistan agreed to support each other in safeguarding their core national interests. As in the past, we categorically reject the reference to the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir in the joint press release of the second round of China-Pakistan Foreign Ministers' strategic dialogue. The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir is an integral and inalienable part of India, and we expect the parties concerned not to interfere in the matters of India. Qureshi and Wang Yi also discussed progress on China-Pakistan Economic Corridor under Belt and Road Initiative during their strategic dialogue. India has been opposing the CPEC, saying that the project passes through its area in the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Anurag Srivastava reiterated India's consistent position on China-Pakistan Economic Corridor project. India has repeatedly conveyed its concerns to both China and Pakistan on the projects in so-called China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which are in the territory of India that has been illegally occupied by Pakistan. We resolutely oppose the actions by other countries that change the status quo in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir and call on the parties concerned to cease such actions. Pakistan Foreign Ministry said Qureshi briefed Wang Yi on Kashmir situation and expressed Pakistan's concerns. Pakistan Foreign Ministry further added that China has vowed to firmly support Pakistan in safeguarding its territorial integrity, sovereignty and independence. China has been raising the issue of Kashmir on several platforms, much to the chagrin of India. China said Kashmir issue is a dispute left over from history between India and Pakistan and needs to be resolved through dialogue. China had earlier opposed abrogation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir. China had also opposed the creation of Ladakh as Union Territory, saying that the move undermined its sovereignty. Meanwhile, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Saturday reviewed the overall situation in eastern Ladakh amid border standoff with China. NSA Ajit Doval, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, Army Chief General MM Naravane, Navy Chief Admiral Karambir Singh and IAF Chief Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadoria also attended the meeting.